At CHSU-COM, we are your future doctors.
I'm a medical student here in the Central Valley because I have a heart to serve the underserved.
With O&M, we treat the whole person using a holistic, hands-on approach.
I'm glad CHSU teaches medical Spanish because it will help us connect with our community.
HoloLens allows me to view anatomy from a different perspective.
Our Butterfly IQ handheld ultrasound allows us to take ultrasounds in an instant.
I like to work in community service learning projects because I get to directly work with underserved patient populations.
We are learning culinary medicine so we can bridge the gap between patient care and nutrition.
We use population health research to help the local community.
I like being at CHSU-COM because of the diverse student population.
I like team-based learning because it allows me to improve my interpersonal communication and apply the knowledge right then, right there.
At CHSU-COM, we are innovators.
We are problem solvers.
We are your future doctors.